The Nigerian contingent of the West African Stabilization Force in the Gambia over the weekend provided medical services to the residents of Brikama Mansaringsu free of cost. This outreach was part of ECOMIG's efforts in promoting civil-military relations in line with the regional forces' broader aim of improving the well-being of the country while they kept the peace. Our defense and security reporter Modu Albaji was in Brikama Mansaringsu and he filed in this report.
The ECOMIG 9 medical intervention is part of efforts to deepen their civil-military relations with the people of the West Coast region. The community of Brikama Mansaringsu welcomed to their doorsteps the Nigerian troops who dispense free medical services such as breast cancer awareness and dental treatment. Speaking on behalf of the beneficiaries, the community's public relations officer, Musa Jaju, thanked the ECOMIG troops for their intervention. Piero Jaju acknowledged that the free medical services will enhance residents' well-being.
For the Nigerian contingents, we cannot pay them. Somebody who is rendering you a health service at your doorstep, we have nothing but to thank them. We are so much grateful here, seeing them here, interacting with the committee here, giving us all sort kind of health benefits. Anyway, that's a very good milestone for us. We cannot say much about this, but only to say thank you and our happiness. We cannot overemphasize.
Beneficiary Mbasi Sow expressed gratitude to the Nigerian troops, describing the medical services as helpful. She pointed out that their health facility is grappling with issues such as inadequacy of drugs. Madam Sow therefore noted that the ECOMIG troops' activity had helped them access the much-needed medical attention. Other speakers also expressed gratitude to the troops for their life-saving intervention. The Nikoi contingent commander, Flex O. Manga, stated that peacekeeping missions are not solely about weapons and therefore emphasized the importance of intensifying their fight against diseases in local communities. Lieutenant Colonel Manga mentioned that this approach will save residents from having to purchase medication and will also help them understand their health status.
We discovered that since the inception of ECOMIG, the presence of ECOMIG has not been really felt in this community. We conduct free medical services on daily basis at Yundum Barrack to the general public, to the Gambian armed forces. We've never come to Brikama to touch lives. That's why we decided this morning to come here so that at least at the end of today, 1 or 2 persons in Brikama will not carry his money to buy paracetamol. That's the reason why we come to this community today, to extend the hand of fellowship and relationship. Peacekeeping operation is not all about using weapons. It's about service to humanity. When the weapons are not put in use, what do? We ensure that we touch lives. And that is the reason why we came here this morning. Before we left our country, Nigeria, to come to the Gambia, we propounded a slogan, the unity in humanity and security for all.
These free medical services will greatly support the less privileged families in the community of Mansaringsu and will as well further consolidate the mission's civil-military relations. For Star TV, I am Modu Albaji.